I bet you didn't know hedgehogs could do this. Hold on to your seats. First up, did you know hedgehogs are immune to certain types of venom? That's right. These prickly little guys can take a snake bite like a champ. Second, hedgehogs have their own built-in spa treatment. They self-anoint by licking and spreading frothy saliva all over their spines. It's weird and wonderful. And finally, these nocturnal ninjas can run up to 6 feet per second. That's like Sonic the Hedgehog in real life, folks. So, next time you see a hedgehog, remember these bizarre facts. And hit that like button if you learned something new. Hashtags, #hedgehog secrets, #animal facts, #nature lovers, #viral video, #epic nature description. Unbelievable hedgehog secrets revealed. Discover the most bizarre facts about hedgehogs in this epic, fast-paced YouTube short. Don't miss out. Hit like and subscribe for more mind-blowing animal facts.